Let's have our activity about descriptive adjective and quantitative adjective for L2. So this is our learning activity sheets for L2, descriptive adjective and quantitative adjective. Okay, please read all together, L2.
Descriptive adjective. Number 1. The blank dog bark. Our answer is big. Number 2. She wore a blank dress. Our answer is blue. Number 3. It was a blank day. Our answer is sunny. Number 4. The blank mountain. Our answer is tall. Number 5. A blank story. Our answer is funny. Number 6. The blank ball. Our answer is gone. Number 7. His blank smile. Our answer is happy. Number 8. The blank house. Our answer is old.
Old house. Okay, quantitative, go.
Quantitative. Number 1. We have blank apples. Our answer is many. Number 2. There are blank birds. Our answer is few. Number 3. He ate some cookies. Our answer is 3. Number 4. She has blank friends. Our answer is several. Number 6.
Annyeonghaseyo! So tonight, I will be making some of my projects. So by the way, currently I am making this flower so that I can put it here.